Let's dive into the world of audio interfaces first. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is an audio interface? Think of it as the bridge between your instrument or microphone and your computer. It's the device that captures your music, converts it into a digital format, and sends it to your computer for recording or processing. There are several types of audio interfaces available, each with their own set of features and benefits. Some of the common types include USB, Firewire, and Thunderbolt interfaces, but they could equally be a card within your computer. Mine occupies a PCI Express slot. The type you choose often depends on your specific needs, the kind of computer you have, and of course, your budget. For instance, I have a professional quality one in my main studio. It consists of an external unit for the sound card as a piece of rack equipment that is connected to a card within my PC. It consists of an external unit for the sound card as a piece of rack equipment that is connected to a card within my PC. And although this card does have a few channels of audio conversion available, I actually have two 8-channel rack units that convert my analog signals into digital ones before sending them to the external unit of the sound card via optical ADAT. When choosing an audio interface for yourself, there are a few key features to consider. First, the number of input and output channels. Do you need to record multiple instruments at once or just one? If you want to record a drum kit, for instance, you might require quite a few. I have been known to have 2 mics on a bass drum, 2 on a snare, 1 each on the toms, a couple of overheads and a central front mic. Then there's bit depth and sample rate, which determine the quality of your recordings, although most equipment these days will be of a very decent standard. And let's not forget about compatibility, ensuring your interface works seamlessly with your computer and DAW. Also, do you want it to be portable or will it stay in a fixed location? Then you can consider the quality of the preamps in your audio interface, which can significantly affect your sound. Preamps are pre-amplification. They boost the signal. Good preamps provide a clean and robust signal, but they can also add colour to the sound. That is partly what the more expensive mixing desks provide you with, a whole rack of really nice preamps. But in all honesty, that is probably not something you'll need to worry about straight away. It is more important to write good songs and learn how to record and mix them well. If I played you a really well recorded and mixed song using standard but still decent gear, and then played the same song but having recorded and mixed it on the most expensive gear possible, a lot of people would probably not hear much difference. The reality is, the quality of your material is more important than the quality of the gear used to record it.